Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that RNDR has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern, but I was telling you that there is a very strong and long-term support here of EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that the price line has geared up after testing that support. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this recent formation of this down channel on the 2-hour time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared a few days back on 29th of May 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 29th of May 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern, an expected harmonic bullish reversal. It was completing the final leg. And if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line completed the leg, entered the buying zone, and then we had a nice pump to the upside. And after that, the price line again moved up, moved down inside this buying zone. Then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 12% rally. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse the Gardler pattern. You can see even at that time, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered here, then we can expect a massive pump. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then dropped more down. And this was, you can see after completion of this leg, we had a very, very massive pump. And this was almost 270% pump against Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of render. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that we have already broken out a very, very big resistance of a very long-term down channel. And after the breakout, the price then formed this rising wedge pattern. And recently we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And by the way, here we have two very strong and long-term supports. One is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this weekly time frame chart. And the next support is at $1.80. That was breaking as a very nice support when we had this drop here. You can see exactly from this support, we had a nice bounce. And after breaking it down, it was flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here. And after the breakout, you can see it is still working as a support. We had a bounce here. We had another bounce here as well. And now, recently, you can see after this bounce, the price line has slightly moved up. And during this move, by the way, on the smaller time frame chart, on the 2-hour time frame chart, the price line has recently formed this down channel. That is, in fact, a bullish bias pattern. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this down channel, then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $2.40. And if the price line reaches there, then on a weekly time frame chart, it can try to re-enter the same rising wedge pattern that is recently broken down. By the way, the final target for this breakout from this down channel, that move is, by the way, still due. That is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at between $8 to $10. And once the price line will be entered inside this rising wedge pattern, and obviously it can enter that rising wedge pattern. If it will hit this target, then during that move, it can re-enter the same rising wedge pattern. Then we can also achieve the target for this rising wedge pattern breakout as well. And that will be approximately here. By the way, it depends from where it will break out the resistance. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then the target can be approximately at $17.5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.